All right, guys, so in this lesson, we're gonna be looking at how to use a tactical pen. Now, I've made videos on how to use a kubotan, and a tactical pen is not that much different, but however, I still wanted to do it to give you guys a different dynamics of how you can use it. Obviously, if maybe you travel, you wear a suit, and you want to have an extra protection for self-defense. The good thing about the tactical pen is smaller than a kubotan, which means you could put it in your suit, you could put it in your pants over here, right? You could put it in the back, so you could carry it, and this one is actual pen, it writes. So the way it's made, you can see there's the little teeth over here, right, to give you grip. There's the edge over here. This is actually a glass breaker, so you can break glass in case you needed to break a window, break anything. It's actually pretty solid, and the overall pen is made out of metal. It's pretty solid. So come over here, Costa. Let's say you're faced with your attacker. Again, guys, any weapon is an extension of your hand. So from here, obviously, I can't use it like a stick, right? I'm just gonna use it first, make a fist, right? So this is the only way that I can use it and hold it. So if I'm here, I'm gonna use it here. So it's not gonna give me any type of advantage against the knife, right? Because it doesn't break much range. So I'm here, so the first thing I'll use is bring it here. From there, let's say I strike and I decide the way to use it is in a hammer fist way, where I'm gonna strike into the hand, strike into the face. But more likely, the way you wanna use it is if we clinched and we're here, this is when I use a hammer stabbing motion into the throat, into the eyes. I'm still using my other tools, and I'm scratching or ripping into the face at the same time. Watch this pressure point, okay? Now, guys, there's nothing specific. I'm not teaching you guys, go for a specific point. Watch this. Watch this.
Yeah.
So the tactical pen is great because of this pressure over here. Anywhere I put it, grab me. Now, how big are you, Costa?
270.
270. Look. Right? And I'm not even putting pressure on it. Now, the question is, how do you deliver this weapon? I don't want to pull it out and start being here. Because if I'm doing this, an extension of my hands, right, it's gonna be nothing more than my kickboxing and boxing skills. Now, how do you deploy the weapon? One, you need to know that shit's about to hit the fan. So if I'm wearing my suit, I have it in my jacket, I need to pull it out and conceal it without him knowing. So I gotta conceal it prior to the fight. The way I'm gonna conceal it is right over here. Now you can you see it from anywhere? From here? You can't see it, right, Cliff? So, can you see it, Costa? So if I'm talking to you and I'm doing this, and I was prepared for this type of attack, and he's here, and he's in my face, I'm gonna go whack, and I'm gonna strike right into the throat, right into the face, anywhere higher, from the neck to the head. As I strike, boom, I'm coming in, and I'm using it in a hammer fist motion, where I'm striking. The other way I could do it is that if I grab, and I'm boom, boom. As long as my arm is there, I'm using this arm as leverage, and I'm at this point, even if he did this, I would just start striking anywhere into the body. Here, boom. I would still throw my elbow, boom, into the face, in over here, throw the elbow, go into the throat, go into the arm, and I'm just using a hammer motion. And I'm going into here, into there. I'm using the other arm as a distraction to strike or to leverage or to hold back or to push. Don't forget the low line, because what happens is as I'm hitting high, I'm also hitting low, right? So I'm gonna use my knees, my legs, and I could still punch, but I'm gonna use it to stab. Now remember, if he had a weapon and I needed to trap, then at some point you need to let go of this weapon. In any weapon I'm teaching you, never get emotionally attached to the weapon, and it's an extension of your hand. If you drop it, forget about it, keep fighting, right? So, if again, I think it's a great tool if you're someone who travels, having one of these in your pocket, in your suit. Again, it's easy to conceal, pull it out. Again, if you're in close quarter range, if I'm here, right, and Costa's here, and he's talking to me, it's hard for me to like do this in the middle and then again, unless he's really not aware. But if he's aware and suddenly I do this and he sees me do this, he's probably gonna grab exactly here. From there, boom, I'm gonna need to strike, let go, bap, bap, stab. Now, I stab them with the other opposite side instead of here, it doesn't matter. I'm still gonna do damage when I'm striking. So I hope you enjoyed the lesson. I wanna thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.